Michael Valentino from Crusader Caravans in Campbellfield Victoria. Today we're going to be running you through the Excalibur MY20 Access Bluetooth radio. Most people on this forum will be accustomed with the Bluetooth radio system from NCE. All of the units as far as connectivity are very similar, so it should apply to most of their model ranges throughout the MY20, 2019 and 2018 range. The internal and external speaker switching is something we're going to be running you through today. It's a very simple process. We're not going to bore you with all the details of how to connect a USB or how to connect an auxiliary cable or how to make a phone call. We're going to be running you through how to connect that thing to Bluetooth, how to switch from internal and external speakers, and what those little white switches do. So up on our unit here, it's an access unit. So to be able to connect it to Bluetooth, what we want to do is we've got our little phone here. You're going to go into the settings. We're going to go onto the Bluetooth setting just here, and we're going to see the car BT, so that's a car Bluetooth. Just hit that there. That's going to then tell the radio that you want to connect to it, and it'll jump straight across. Very easy process. So to do the internal and external speakers, so a bit of volume up just to demonstrate, and we've got with the MY20s and the late MY20s, we've got 4 little switches up on here. So what those switches do is it controls all 4 speakers via 4 channels worth of audio. However, in most of the 2020 and back range, we have 2 speakers. In some of the much older ranges, you have to then tune the radio in to be able to go pan left, pan right, but we're just going to be covering the switches side of it from 2017 up for today. On the speaker switches, we've got 2 inside, which are now off, and the outside speakers are now on. To turn it the other way, we want outside off, and we want inside on. If you want to have one in the inside on and one outside on, that's possible as well. World's your oyster, take your pick, and you can have a bit of play with it. Easy to Spotify too, so you'd be streaming that off your phone via Bluetooth. We have an auxiliary, we have a Bluetooth, we have a CD radio, and we also have a pop-off, pop-on display panel. I believe, in my personal opinion, if a lot of people, when they bring their caravans in for servicing, and this is just a tip for you all, a lot of people take their radio displays off. There's various pins on the back of that radio that need to line up correctly in order to do the Bluetooth, the radio, the USB, the auxiliary, all of those things. If someone breaks into your Crusader Caravan and they're going to steal something, they're not going to steal the faceplate of a radio. Do not remove it and do not try and hide it in the caravan. I would suggest firmly leave it attached, simply because that connectivity from the pins is always going to be aligned and always going to be correct. A lot of people want to make sure it's safe and secure. The most safe and secure place for it is up here. If you have any questions at all, please give me a call on 9359 2938. Email me at michael@crusadermelbourne.com. Alternatively, head to the website for more information at www.crusadercaravansmelbourne.com.au, or alternatively, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.